Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn that how you can unlock your Amazon Prime Video account if you set a PIN and now you want to unlock it. How you're going to do it? Let's find out in this video. First thing you need to do is to open a browser on your device. So once you open the browser, you can do it on the PC or a laptop, or I am doing it on the phone, so you could do it as well. The next thing you need to do is to tap on the Prime Video website link. It will bring you here. Tap on your profile, make sure that you're signed in to your account. The next thing you need to do is to tap on manage profile. So once you tap on manage profile, as you can see, this profile is locked, so I want to unlock it. The next thing you need to do is to tap on edit profile and select the same profile. Then once you select, you need to enter the PIN that you already set for this profile. So you need to then tap on done, and here you need to tap on account PIN and locks. So once you tap on that one, the next thing you need to do is to disable the profile lock. You need to just disable it and then tap on save right at the bottom. So once you tap, here as you can see, your account has been unlocked now. So this profile which was locked in the beginning, now it is unlocked. So guys, this is all it takes to unlock your profile on Amazon Prime Video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.